All right, we're going to evaluate some student loan options here in this video, just looking at two, different years, terms of length, interest rates. How does that affect the student loans? So let's just jump right in. Ian is presented with two student loan options for his $24,000 loan. Option A is 10-year fixed rate, 5%. Option B is 15-year fixed rate, 4%. First part of this, let's find the monthly payment on each loan. Now, if you watched a previous video, this is our monthly payment calculator, if you will, for a student loan. So L, first, we're going to do option A first. L is the amount of loan. I is the interest rate at monthly, right? So we got to take the APR and divide it by 12. And then 1 minus 1 plus 0.05 divided by 12 raised to the negative 120 power. 120 because it's 10 years and there are 12 months in a year. So we're going to multiply 10 by 12 to get that 120. Now, I'm not going to walk through step by step, but if you put that in your calculator correctly, you will get a monthly payment of $254.56 rounded to the nearest penny. So that's option A. Option B, we're still borrowing $24,000, but now our interest rate is 4%. So 1 minus, so it's a little bit longer term, but the interest rate is less. So now we're at negative 180 because 15 times 12 is 180. So again, you plug that into your calculator and you get $177.53. So you can see the difference in monthly payments based on a 10-year loan versus a 15-year loan with slightly different interest rates. Now, right now you could say, hey, I only have about $175 a month for a payment, so I have to go with option B. If it's all about the monthly payment and you absolutely can't afford $254, then yeah, your math calculations might be done. But maybe you want more information, and that's what we're going to do in the rest of this video. We're going to take these monthly payments and use them to calculate some different things. So, first thing, what's the total payback? We know we're borrowing 24 grand, no matter what. But what would be the payback on each of these loans? So let's start with option A. We know our monthly payment is $254.56. We're making these payments every month, 12 months in a year, and we're doing that for 10 years. So the total, okay, I'm struggling. That's an equal sign. The total payback for this would be $30,547.20. Total payback. Option B. We know the monthly payment was $177.53. We're making that payments for 12 months in a year, and this is a 15-year loan. So that payback is $31,955.40. So now if you're thinking about, am I going to say, now we got a little bit of a difference. Well, we still had a difference. We had a $80 roughly monthly payment difference, but now we can see like over the course of this loan. So let's take this one step further. Now that we have the paybacks for both of these, how much interest is paid on each loan? So again, let's look at option A. If I'm making a total payback of $30,547.20, but I only borrow $24,000, that means I'm paying $6,547.20 in interest for option A. For option B, my total payback was $31,955.40, and I borrowed $24,000. So my total interest is $7,955.40. Interest. So you can see over the course, and that makes sense, right? When you have a longer loan option, you have more years that your interest is accumulating. So even at a lower interest rate, because it's 5 more years, the amount of interest that I'm paying is almost $1,500, closer to $1,400, right? $1,400 I would save by going with option A. Okay, so now, what did Ian learn? Okay, well, a lot of this depends. So if, right, we talked on this first screen, if money is tight, and all you have is, I need to make the smallest payment because I've got to eat and put gas in my car to get to work and all of those things, then obviously option B. If $254 is doable, then you would want to go with option A because you're going to pay less interest. So these things are not cut, it's not black and white. It's not one or the other. It's not, clear cut. It's all about, I have to make the decision that is best for my life at that time, right? So you kind of have to see, if you can afford $250, great, do it, save yourself $1,400 over the life of the loan. But if you can't, then you pay what you pay, and you're just going to pay more in interest. It happens. It's life. It's not the end of the world. You got to go with what works for you.